play Minecraft, and I'm going to show you how to make a bell tower in the video. We're going to make bell tower. First, I'll leave 2 blocks here, and you're not going to put any block here. You're just going to put 2 cobblestone blocks here, and you're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to put 6 cobblestone walls on here. Okay. Now, you're going to need to put some cobblestone blocks here. And you're going to put some cobblestone slabs next to cobblestone blocks. And you're going to... Wait, no. Wrong trapdoor. Okay. I'm going to switch trapdoors. You're going to get a birch trapdoor. And you're going to put it on the... You're going to put it on the slabs. So now, you're going to put some slabs right about here. You're going to put some blocks right about here. And you're going to put some cobblestone blocks here. Now, you're going to put some slabs. No, you're going to put a slab here. Now you're going to need to put a fence. And you're going to need to put a cobblestone slab here. Oh, I forgot, it's night. Time set date, sunrise. Okay, so now you're going to do the lead. There's a lead. Oh, there you go. And you're going to search for a rabbit. No, a rabbit. A small rabbit. Where's the rabbit? Spawn rabbit. So you're going to need to put you need to you're going to need to put a rabbit here, and you have to leash it. Leash. Now let's put it. Now let's leash it up here. Now you're going to leash it up here. Oh, there you go. Hey, why is it? Oh my gosh, I was supposed to, okay, let me attack it and it's done. Yeah, there you go. It looks like it's floating. Okay, I gotta go. Oh no, I killed the rabbit. Oh well, I didn't even hear it. Okay, let's spawn a rabbit in here. Okay, where's okay, here it is. Spawn a rabbit in here. You're gonna need to leash it. Leash. Oh, come on, leash. It's not leashing anybody. Anybody, could you do something? Oh, there you go. Oh no, only 2 hits. Okay. Now it's, why is it not leashing? Leash. Oh no. Oh no. Leash. Okay, there you go. Let's put the grass block on here. And we're gonna leash it up here. Up here. We're gonna leash it up here. No, it's not working. Oh, I forgot. Oh well, I didn't even need a leash. And now you're gonna need to put a bell on here. So yeah, that's our bell tower. And if you want it to be a church, you're just gonna need to put some cobblestone chain. You're gonna put some cobblestone walls and put cobblestone walls next to your cobblestone in the middle cobblestone wall. So yeah, that's how to build the church. I mean, bell tower. Bye guys. Ooh.